How you going, people? So first time firing this 50 that I got used. I've never fired it before. I had it Cerakoted. I'll probably have the guy on my next live, the guy that Cerakoted it, for any Cerakote questions. I thought he did a nice job. That's a flat dark earth with some black highlights. And I have this aimed into this big mound here. So I'm going to be videotaping from behind it, so we'll be able to see. I'm going to have my iPhone behind it. I've got a string so I can be about, I don't know, 25 feet away when this thing goes off. So I just want to see how far it jumps and if it operates correctly. Because I've never fired it, I'm going to load around and we'll go from there. I'm going to move this back a little bit and zoom in because the gases coming out of there, they say, are pretty powerful. Hopefully I'm far enough away to where it won't affect the camera and knock it down, but we'll see how much this gun jumps. And I'm going to walk to the edge here. So it actually didn't sound that loud because I have two earplugs on, and it looks like it jumped maybe a few feet back. The camera, see how it did. So it looked like it functioned okay. And that was me holding it. Not too bad. That's just the introduction to it, I guess. I'll be doing more with it later. All right, y'all have a good one.